Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Zilliqa coin. As in my last video, I was telling you that even though we are moving down after breaking out this pennant, but the oscillators are not moving down in the same way like the price line was doing. And you can see there was a bullish divergence and the price line has followed this bullish divergence and now it is gearing up. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me here as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with this weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that we have a very strong key support here at 2.9 cents. And you can see previously here back in June 2020, it worked as a resistance. Then in August 2020, it worked as a resistance, and here it worked as a support in December 2020, and then we had a big pump. And after this big drop, the price line finally broke out this resistance of a very huge falling wedge pattern, and we have been following this resistance and this wedge in those days. And after breakout, we had a big pump. Our target was here at 23 cents, and we also have a very strong resistance over here as well. And after hitting this target, the price line is rejected by this resistance. You can see we have several rejections previously here back in 2021. And recently we got rejected here in the month of March 2022. And we tested the previous resistance of this wedge as a support. And we also tested this support of 2.9 cents. And now we are likely to form a very huge double bottom at this support of 2.9 cents. And right now still we are moving above this support. And at the same time, if we switch to the daily time frame chart, then this was the pennant that I was showing you in my previous videos. And I was telling you that even though we are having extreme sell-off, it is moving down, but the oscillators are not moving down with the price line. You can see it was forming a higher low than previous low, stochastic, and RSI was also forming another higher low than previous low. And therefore, I was telling you that there can be a bullish divergence on this chart. Yes, it can be possible that the oscillators may move more down and form another lower than previous low, but it has not happened. And you can see we have a clear bullish divergence on the chart. And right now, after testing the previous resistance of the triangle of this pennant as a support, the price line has geared up. Same move Bitcoin has, you can see, done here. After the breakout, it tested the previous resistance of the wedge as a support. By the way, it happened here on the 4-hour time frame chart. And on the other hand, Zilliqa has done this on the daily time frame chart. And Bitcoin was forming lower than previous low, but stochastic was not forming lower than previous low. It was forming higher lower than previous low. There was also a bullish divergence. Therefore, Bitcoin also moved up. And I also shared this move with you in my previous video of Bitcoin with you in yesterday's video. Now, we can see if we take a look at the target for this breakout from this falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame for Zilliqa, that is here approximately at 5 cents. And there we have a very, very huge resistance on this weekly time frame chart. Here on the 5 cents, you can see previously this level has been working as a very strong resistance for the past several weeks or months. It is working very strong resistance, and before that it was working as a support here, therefore it can be a strong resistance for the price line. And after breaking out this 5 cents, there can be a very high probability that soon price line may also try to break out this very strong resistance of 23 cents as well. I'm just showing you some major support and resistance levels. There can be some other smaller support and resistance levels on the smaller time frame charts as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.